I really can't believe that this is actually happening and I'm so happy about it. I was already making my manga recommendation video on this particular series along with Sakamoto Days and Karashik's Kanojo, but before that we finally get the news that the cosplay romance manga series Sono Bisque Doll wa Koi Suru, I know I butchered the pronunciation so I'll stick with the English name, that is My Dress Up Darling. This manga series by Shinichi Fukuda is getting a TV adaptation, and this has been almost confirmed because of the leaks of the upcoming magazine. Now it's officially not yet confirmed by the author themselves, or there is no official tweet by any studios as such, but it is pretty clear that the series is getting an anime adaptation because it is shown in the cover for the next Young Gagan magazine, and this is the magazine in which this series is actually published, so it's almost confirmed even though there is no official confirmation yet. But this is basically how anime news are actually covered. So there you have it, this manga series is finally getting an anime adaptation. And I am really excited about this. I'm already making my video covering this particular series which is coming out very soon, and this is going to be really interesting in my opinion. Now here in this video I'm not going to give any major spoilers as such, but I just want to give you all a brief idea of what this series is all about because it is very interesting to say the least. And also the concept for this series, I don't really think this has been explored that much in anime as such. Also, I just want to state here quickly that some people can definitely find this series a little creepy or a little unnerving or disturbing at first because it has an element which is not commonly associated with other cultures, and this thought even came upon me as well when I started reading the manga for the very first time, but very soon I remembered my own childhood days and how I was fascinated with arts, drawing and painting. And this translates very well to the protagonist of the series as well, who is Wakana Gojo. So yeah, there's a new Gojo in town who is going to take upon or rival Satoru Gojo. No, I'm just kidding, that's not going to be the case. But the name of our protagonist is Wakana Gojo, who is a first year high school student and who dreams of becoming a Hina doll craftsman. Now bisque doll or porcelain doll is actually a doll partly or wholly made out of bisque or biscuit porcelain, and these are characterized by the realistic and skill-like matte finish. And our protagonist here inherits this skill of craftsmanship from his very own grandfather, and here he dreams of becoming the #1 craftsman for Hina doll. And as a kid, he fell in love with the Hina doll. Now if you're someone who has grown up watching anime, then you definitely know what exactly is a Hina doll all about. It's basically a very huge part of the Japanese Girls' Day or Hina Matsuri. I'm pretty sure that if you've seen series like Doraemon, Pokemon or even K-On!, this was very prominently featured as a part of the traditional Japanese festival, which incorporated the elements of the emperor, the empress, the attendants and the musicians in a traditional court dress of the Heian period. And one day, because of all of this, he meets a popular classmate called Marin, who is actually a cosplayer, and they form a very interesting dynamic because Gojo goes on to design dresses for her cosplays, and they form a very interesting dynamic as a whole. So overall, I'm really excited to see that this manga is finally getting an anime adaptation, but my only problem, or you could say my only fear at this moment, is that they are getting a TV adaptation by the studio called Visual Flight, which is actually known for the prior series called X-Arm. Now if you all know about X-Arm, then I really do not need to stress as to why I'm a little concerned here, but let's just hope for the best, and overall I'm really excited for all of it. So what do you guys think about all of this? Please let me know in the comment section below. Are you excited for this new anime adaptation? What are your thoughts about all of this? So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please do join the channel membership for some very cool perks and features. With that being said, this is WonderYZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.